Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.1 question number 12. Find the matrix A for which matrix A into 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2 is equal to matrix 14, 7, 7, 7. So, A and B, two matrices are given, that is equal to C. A into B is equal to C. The question is find the matrix A. Two matrices are given, you have to find the matrix A. Now before that we should know this concept. If A and B are two matrices and if A is equal to B, the concept of pre-multiplication. What is pre-multiplication? Suppose I am going to multiply by a constant, by a matrix C. Pre-multiply means multiply before the matrix A. Okay, and also multiply before the matrix B. So it is called pre-multiplication. Now what do you mean by post-multiplication? So if matrix A is equal to B, you multiply the matrix C after A. Okay. Similarly on the right side also, you multiply the matrix C after B. That is called post-multiplication. So pre-multiplication and post-multiplication, that concepts you should know before we do this sum. So now here AB is equal to C. I am going to multiply, post-multiply by the matrix B inverse. So AB into B inverse I am going to multiply. AB is equal to C is given. I am going to post multiply. You know the post multiplication now. So A, B, B inverse. So you know this, B into B inverse is equal to B inverse into B is equal to the identity matrix. You already learned this. If you multiply a matrix by its inverse, it will get you identity. So for that I am going to post multiply. I want to bring the identity matrix there. So AB is equal to B. AB into B inverse is equal to C into B inverse. I am post multiplying. Post multiply means after the matrix. So I am multiplying B inverse after C and after B. So now B into B inverse is equal to identity matrix. And also you should know BC, see you know that post multiplication is AC is equal to BC, but BC is not equal to CB. Why? Because the matrix multiplication is not always commutative. Rare cases it is commutative. So it is not always commutative. So you cannot just multiply one side on the right B inverse and the other side you cannot multiply B inverse on the left. That is not correct. That is called post multiplication, means you have to multiply either side on the right. So now B into B inverse will become I. So A into I is equal to C B inverse. So A into I, if you multiply a matrix by its identity, that will give you the same matrix, the original matrix itself, that is equal to C into B inverse. So A is equal to C into B inverse. So we have to find the inverse of B. So the matrix B is given, we have to find the inverse of it. So how do you find the inverse of the matrix B? You have to find the determinant of the matrix B and we have to find the adjoint of the matrix B. So the matrix B is 5, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So let us first find the adjoint determinant of the matrix B. So B inverse is 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. So determinant of B is cross multiply. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10 minus minus 3. So it is equal to minus 7 and that is not equal to 0, right? Minus 7 is not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. So you should always write that. Only if it is non-singular, its inverse exists. So it is not equal to 0, its inverse exists. It's not A here, it's a matrix B here. So B inverse exists. Now we have to find the adjoint of the matrix B. So how do you find the adjoint of the matrix B? Adjoint is just interchange the diagonal elements and change the sign of the other diagonal. So it will become minus 2, change the sign there, minus 3, plus 1 and 5. So we got the adjoint of B now. Now we have to find the B inverse. So B inverse is minus 1 by 7 because the determinant of B is minus 7 into adjoint of B is minus 2, minus 3, 1, 5. So that is equal to this. Now we have to find C because the question is find the matrix A. The matrix A is C into B inverse. So we found B inverse. C is already there in the question. So you have to write the matrix C, that is 14, 7, 7, 7. Into matrix B inverse. So the matrix B inverse is minus 1 by 7 into the matrix minus 2, minus 3, 1, 5. So now we can multiply these two matrices, that will give you the matrix A. So minus 1 by 7 is a scalar, you can take it out, constant. Multiply the first row and first column, minus 28 plus 7, minus 28 plus 7 into 1, that is minus 21. First row and second column, minus 42 plus 35, that is equal to minus 7. Then second row and first column, that is minus 14 plus 7, that is minus 7. Then second row and second column, minus 21 plus 35, so it is plus 14. So everything is divisible by 7. So divide everything by minus 7. So you get 3, 1, 1, minus 2. That is your matrix A. That's the question. Find the matrix A. So we have found the matrix A. So A is equal to C into B inverse. That is equal to 3, 1, minus 2. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.